In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome in laptop. So let's jump straight into it. To go ahead and update Google Chrome in your laptop, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto these three dots to bring up this menu, and then come down and hover over the help option just down here. In this sub menu that comes up, come and click onto About Google Chrome. What it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. And on this screen, you can see it's actually updating Chrome. So you can see it's currently going through. So if there is an update available, it's going to start automatically updating Chrome when you come across to this screen. Once the update has finished, you'll go and see a relaunch button. So you can see that's just here. As you can see, it says nearly up to date, relaunch Chrome to finish updating. At this point, all you need to do is simply click the relaunch button. And what that's going to do is relaunch Chrome and give you the most up-to-date version of Google Chrome. You can see when we've relaunched Chrome, it now says Chrome is up to date. So that is how to update Google Chrome in laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. If this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.